Feeling tired all the time? Struggling with motivation or energy to get through the day? What if I told you that small, simple changes to your lifestyle could dramatically improve your health and energy levels? Hi, I'm your name, a certified nutritionist, health coach, or personal trainer, and over the past X years, I've helped hundreds of people transform their health without overwhelming changes. Today, I'll show you how to take easy, actionable steps toward living a healthier lifestyle without feeling like you have to turn your world upside down. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple yet powerful steps to adopt a healthier lifestyle. We'll address the most common struggles people face, like finding the time to exercise, eating better without feeling deprived, and staying motivated. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have a clear path to better health that fits into your busy life. The most common problem people face when trying to live a healthier lifestyle is feeling overwhelmed. You're told you need to work out every day, overhaul your diet, and suddenly change all your habits overnight. That's unrealistic, and frankly, it's why many people give up before they even begin. This overwhelm leads to stress, frustration, and ultimately inaction. You start with good intentions, but life gets in the way. Work, family, and responsibilities take over. As a result, your health suffers, energy levels drop, and you feel stuck in a cycle of bad habits, but it doesn't have to be this way. The key is to make small, sustainable changes that fit into your current lifestyle. It's not about going on a strict diet or committing to hours of exercise every day. It's about taking gradual steps that lead to long-term success. I'm going to show you 5 easy steps that you can start implementing today. Step 1. Hydrate first thing in the morning. One of the simplest ways to improve your health is to drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Hydrating first thing helps kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and set the tone for a day of healthy habits. Keep a glass of water by your bed as a reminder. Step 2. Add more movement to your day. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to improve your health. Start with small movements. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Go for a 10-minute walk on your lunch break, or stretch for a few minutes in the morning. Every bit counts and adds up over time. Step 3. Incorporate more whole foods. Focus on adding more whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your diet. Start by making small swaps. Replace processed snacks with an apple or carrot sticks, or try adding more greens to your meals. You'll feel fuller, have more energy, and nourish your body. Sleep is essential for recovery and overall health. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, and try to get 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule can dramatically improve your mood, energy levels, and mental clarity. Take just 5-10 minutes a day to practice mindfulness, whether through meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. Managing stress is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and these small practices can help reduce anxiety, increase focus, and improve your overall well-being. I worked with a client named Sarah who was overwhelmed by the idea of changing her entire lifestyle. By simply focusing on these small steps, hydrating in the morning, going for short walks, and adding more whole foods to her diet, she saw significant improvements in her energy levels and lost 10 pounds over 3 months without feeling restricted. I've personally found that adopting small, consistent habits is much more sustainable than trying to make drastic changes. When I started my journey, I focused on adding movement throughout my day and prioritizing hydration. These small shifts created a foundation for bigger changes later on. Infographic. Show a graphic with the 5 steps: hydrate, move, eat whole foods, sleep, and mindfulness. Before and after case study. Share visual transformations of someone who followed these easy steps. Water demonstration. Show yourself drinking water first thing in the morning and explain the benefits. Whole foods example. Show examples of swapping processed foods for healthier options. Demonstrate simple stretches or a short walk around the neighborhood to show how easy it is to add movement into your day. Show a grocery list or meal prep with whole foods to make healthy eating more practical and achievable. One common mistake is trying to do everything at once. Don't try to overhaul your entire life in a week. Start with 1 or 2 changes and let them build over time. Another challenge is losing motivation after a few days. It's important to remember that progress takes time. To recap, living a healthier lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. Start with these 5 easy steps. Hydrate in the morning, move more, add whole foods to your diet, establish a consistent sleep routine, and practice mindfulness. These small, consistent changes will lead to long-term improvements in your health and energy levels. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Stick with these simple steps and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Stay tuned for more videos on healthy living, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out these related videos for more tips on healthy eating and fitness routines, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. I've added links in the description to some of my favorite healthy meal prep ideas and mindfulness apps to help you get started. Feel free to explore those for more guidance.